Hi guys, I've just bought these Oxford foghorns for our bikes, the FZ8 and the Z1006. As most of you know, the horn on the bikes is quite simple and a bit high-pitched. I used to have a better horn on the old bike, so I've bought these and we're going to see how they sound. This is one that I've already unboxed. It's quite a hefty looking thing. The mount and the connection seems easy enough. It does come with a extra plate in case you need it. There's probably one on the old one, but it doesn't hurt to have a new one. And there's the nut. So let's get it fitted and see how it sounds. First thing we do is just check the sound of the old one. The mic's on my chest, so let's see it from here. So that's it in place. I'm just slightly worried it's a bit low down. There shouldn't be that much travel with these forks in particular. So I might have to just bend that up a little bit. Just make sure and just check the clearance. Don't want to be scratching the mudguard if it bottoms out, but it shouldn't do. So let's do a sound test.